If you want to change autofill passwords in the Samsung Galaxy S26, open the settings for the first, and now we have to scroll down for security and the privacy settings. Next, you have to go for more security settings, and right now we have to go for passwords, passkeys, and autofill. Now go for Google One, or if you are using other services, you have to just mark it, open, click to continue to use it. As you can see here, you can set the preferred service. Now we can just go back and here go into your Google Password Manager. So now we can see all of your accounts, and once you actually click on it, for example, if I'm going to open my Xiaomi account, I have to unlock my phone, and here I can simply add a note, and if I want to change password, I have to just click over here. So here I am going to click to see my password, and if I want to change it, I have to tap on it and basically change it, and then you can just go back.